Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived sick Sally, who wore a frown. She woke up one morning, feeling quite ill, with a sneeze and a cough she just couldn't chill. Her mom brought her soup, warm and bright. Rest, dear Sally, it'll be all right. With a cozy blanket and her favorite book, Sally snuggled up in her favorite nook. As she sipped her soup, she thought of a plan to share her tips with every girl and man. Rest is important, she said with a grin, and wash your hands so the germs don't win. Through her sneezes, she crafted a rhyme to help her friends stay healthy all the time. Sick Sally learned that feeling down can turn into joy when you wear a crown. So when you're feeling sick, just remember this day. With a little love and rest, you'll be okay.